In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D text effects in Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini in your browser and start a new chat. You don't need anything fancy here, just a blank conversation where you can type a clear request. Having a simple idea in mind for your text will make the next steps much smoother. Next, enter your prompt. You'll be telling Gemini exactly what you want it to create, and the more specific you are, the better the results. You're going to ask Gemini to generate a 3D text effect, and then guide it with a few key details so the output matches your vision. Begin by specifying the text content itself. Type the exact words you want to appear in 3D, and if helpful, describe the mood or purpose, like a title for a presentation, a logo-style wordmark, or a playful header for social media. Clarity here helps Gemini choose appropriate styling. Choose a font direction. You can request bold for strong, impactful letters, script for a flowing, elegant look, sans serif for clean, modern lines, or even mention a custom style if you have one in mind. If you know you want something geometric or hand-drawn, include that description. Pick the 3D style so the depth and finish match your concept. Extruded gives solid, blocky depth, beveled softens the edges, metallic suggests polished, reflective surfaces, neon adds glowing contours, and low poly creates a faceted, stylized look. If you care about how dramatic the depth appears, mention the thickness and angle. Indicate colors, textures, and lighting effects. Call out a primary color, secondary accents, and whether you want gradients, brushed metal, glossy plastic, or matte finishes. For lighting, note whether you prefer soft studio lighting, high contrast shadows, reflections, or glow. If background matters, say whether you want transparent, a solid color, or a subtle backdrop. Optionally, ask for the output format. PNG is great for high-quality images and supports transparency. SVG keeps lines crisp at any size for vector-based text effects. If you're planning to use the text in a 3D scene or animation, request an OBJ file for a model you can import. Now generate the 3D text effect by sending your prompt. If the first result is close but not perfect, refine your prompt with small adjustments to color, lighting, or style, and ask Gemini for an updated version or a few variations. Finally, review the result and use it in your graphics, presentations, or 3D projects. Save the file, confirm the format suits your workflow, and you're ready to drop it into slides, design software, or a 3D scene.